Wow.
Okay, Mister, you ready to try?
Time is it now? Jam 12 malam. Okay.
Better late than never.
Okay, you understand. Oh wow.
Hello guys, welcome to Daniel Liverpool channel, Cooking Corner. I would like to prepare something special today, simple, so you can try making it yourself. It's not gonna be any traditional Indonesian dish, it won't be any traditional Polish cuisine dish, it will be a little bit of a combination of the two, and we will see how that's gonna go. Satya will be my guinea pig on that one, because he will have to try it, hopefully he will survive. I will make pancakes. And now you might think Daniel went crazy. Pancakes? Indonesia? What? I've got some Indonesian styled beef curry in there. And now you might think how I will put curry together with a pancake. It makes no sense. Pancake is a dessert. Everybody knows that, right? Wrong. Let's take a look on the ingredients. Indonesian style beef curry. I've got turmeric, I've got cayenne pepper, rainbow pepper, kicap manis, onions, garlic, pepper, butter, eggs, flour, milk, oil for the frying. So the dish is very simple. I'm sure that all of you will be able to do it. And for the aromatic infusion, I will use a little bit of cloves and galangal. I will put them in infuser and put it in the hot water. It's just for the aroma. Let's start. First the infusion, not too much water. And we're gonna leave it there, so it will nicely release all the aroma. We need just a little bit, so it have to be a bit strong, yeah? Now we have to chop all our ingredients. We need to chop them more finely than this. Now ingredients are chopped. We're gonna put them on the frying pan. Oil is hot now. Now we're gonna add the beef. And now when the sauce reduced, we adding the infusion. Okay. First part ready. We can leave it now to cool down. Okay, the filling is cooling down, so now it's time to make the pancakes. We need 2 eggs, milk, and flour. And now if you would make the standard pancakes, you would add some salt, sugar, and then serve them with something sweet like Nutella or something else. But this is not what I'm doing. I will start with a little bit salt, so nothing unusual in there. But after that we're gonna add spices to the mix. So that's sweet bell peppers, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and we're gonna mix everything together. And our batter for the pancake is ready. Oil is hot. Time to add the butter to the frying pan. Not too much, so 1 spoon will do. Evenly around entire frying pan. Make sure to use the non-stick pan, guys. Makes the job a lot of easier. Pancakes shouldn't stick to the pan, like you guys can see. Remember to bake the pancake around 1 minute, 1.5 minutes on each side. If the pancake comes loose, this is the moment to flip it. Try not to burn yourself with the hot oil. If you don't know how to do it, practice on something as dangerous. Okay, now a lovely pancake is frying now on the other side. Now I took that not to take them out, but to press it a little bit, so we can get rid of air bubbles. Our batter for the pancakes is perfect because we have little bubbles rising on the top. Now when you have the golden brown color, this is the moment when it's ready. So we transfer it to a plate. And we carry on. Perfect golden color. And our pancakes are nicely cooked. Time to assemble the dish. Now we have to fold everything together. And our first pancake is ready. Pan is slightly warm on that side, so when you put them on the edge, it closes the pancake, so they're not gonna fall apart when you're gonna try to plate them. And the dish is finished.
Wow.
Okay, Mister, you ready to try?
Time is it now? Jam 12 malam. Okay.
Better late than never.
Okay, you understand.
Enjoy.
Oh, kita coba eh. What is that beef inside? There is no egg, right?
2 eggs
Please no.
in the dough. But it's for 6 pancakes, so there's hardly any egg in it.
Because I got a pimple, you know.
Oh yes, I know, sorry, it will damage your beauty.
Saya emang nggak bisa makan telur tiap hari. Telur paling 1 kali dalam 2 hari. Kalau nggak kena spot, maksudnya pimple, jerawat. Oh wow. I like the fried onion. Is it pancake?
Uh-huh.
It's more than pancake. This.
Okay. Focus on the food. Tell me what you think, the flavors.
I hate it. I hate to say. It's really nice. Beef. You put like peppers or tomatoes or what inside?
I've cooked the beef Indonesian curry first. So the beef is Indonesian. Indonesian style anyway.
Rendang or? No, just curry.
Curry.
Makanya cocok dengan
Beef
selera kita.
coconut curry.
Ya jauh lebih cocok ke selera kita loh. Jadi enggak, apa namanya? Enggak Eropa, it's not too European. Ya cocok bagi selera orang luar Eropa, orang Asia.
Do you think it's a good combination between Europe and Asia?
Perfect. Aromanya. And it's very aromatic.
That was the whole point.
Very nice, mister.
The recipe for that dish you will guys find in the description of the video. If you would like to try to cook it at home, take a look on it and let me know your results. Try not to bend the house down. Or don't flip the pancakes on yourself. Oh, I put a chili in my eye. Honestly, I did, look.
Is it?
I'm crying now. Is it spicy enough for you?
So I don't think I expected spicy, but it's nice. It's just
But it had the kick to
the
it.
recipe. Yeah, a little bit.
It had chilies in it.
Look,
It had the fresh red chili, it had the chili flakes, it had the cayenne pepper as well.
I hope you didn't put any poison in it.
Plenty. You know what they say, keeps your friend close, but your enemies closer.
You can sell this in Indonesia, 100%.
Do you think it's a restaurant dish?
Yeah, 100%.
Would you put it on the restaurant menu? How would you call it if I would sell it in Indonesia?
Serabi. I don't know, Serabi. Serabi Eropa. European Serabi.
You really don't know how to name dishes, do you?
I know how to eat.
How much would you pay for that in the restaurant in here?
In here, I think
Portion of that size. Presentation like that.
2.
Because 2 it's enough for one person to be full.
£12.
Okay, what's your rating, mister? From 1 to 10.
In Indonesia, people will pay this for £5. 100.000 pasti dibeli orang nih. 50.000 satu. My rating, I give 8.5 because I do like it.
8.5?
Yeah.
What's missing in it?
Not missing. Because you're new, isn't it? It's new, isn't it?
Yeah. It's my own creation, it's my own recipe.
I cannot give 10 straight away for your new thing.
Damn.
8.5 quite high enough.
No, I'm very glad. It's really good. And I'm happy that you enjoyed the dish. And I hope my viewers will enjoy it as well, if they will try to cook it at home. Because all the ingredients I use to make it are very simple, very basic ingredients that are widely available, so you can get them probably anywhere in the world. So you should be able to recreate that dish at home. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. More Indonesian, Polish, British, all together dishes coming soon on Daniel's Cooking Corner. See you.
Wassalam, guys.